Question number 1. The RBI recently transferred a record surplus of 2.69 lakh rupees crore to the central government. This decision followed the revision of the Economic Capital Framework. What component of the framework determines the surplus availability? A. Cash reserve ratio. B. Statutory liquidity ratio. C. Contingent risk buffer. D. Marginal standing facility. Correct option, C. Contingent risk buffer. Question number 2. A Brazilian scientist was honored with the 2025 World Food Prize for reducing chemical fertilizer use. She developed eco-friendly seed and soil treatments. Who is she? A. Geetanjali Shri. B. Mariangela Hungria. C. Ratan Lal. D. Anita Shah Akilla. Correct option, B. Mariangela Hungria. Question number 3. The YEPFA, in collaboration with SEBI, launched a program to help reclaim unclaimed dividends and shares. It also focuses on financial literacy and transparency. What is this investor-centric initiative called? A. Mutual Sahyog. B. Smart Finance India. C. Niveshak Shivir. D. Invest India Drive. Correct option, C. Niveshak Shivir. Question number 4. Banu Mushtaq became the first Kannada author to win the International Booker Prize in 2025. This prestigious literary award was given for a short story collection. What is the name of the translated work? A. The Tomb of Sand. B. Fire in the Forest. C. Heart Lamp. D. Eternal Soil. Correct option, C. Heart Lamp. Question number 5. TCS, HDFC Bank, Bharti Airtel, and Infosys were ranked in the 2025 Brands Global Top 100 list. Which Indian brand held the highest position in this list? A. Infosys. B. TCS. C. Bharti Airtel. D. HDFC Bank. Correct option, B. TCS. Question number 6. To promote financial literacy among rural women, IEPFA launched a women-focused initiative. It aims to empower rural women in financial decisions. What is this initiative called? A. Nari Nivesh. B. Niveshak Didi. C. Mahila Finance Mission. D. Smart Sakhi Scheme. Correct option, B. Niveshak Didi. Question number 7. The RBI approved Emirates NBD Bank PJSC to establish a wholly owned subsidiary in India. What is the minimum initial capital required for a foreign bank to set up a WOS? A. 250 crore rupees. B. 300 crore rupees. C. 500 crore rupees. D. 1000 crore rupees. Correct option, C. 500 crore rupees. Question number 8. The International Booker Prize differs from the Booker Prize in many ways. One key difference lies in the type of work it honors. Which format is accepted by the International Booker but not by the Booker Prize? A. Novels. B. Biographies. C. Poetry. D. Short story collections. Correct option, D. Short story collections. Question number 9. India's semiconductor ecosystem is seeing major investments from several companies. Which company, in partnership with Taiwan's Powerchip, is setting up a plant in Dholera, Gujarat? A. Micron Technology. B. CG Power. C. Tata Electronics. D. Kainos Semicon. Correct option, C. Tata Electronics. Question number 10. India's top 3 most profitable companies now include the State Bank of India. This inclusion follows its record-breaking net profit in 2025. Approximately how much profit did SBI earn that fiscal year? A. $8.2 billion. B. $9.2 billion. C. $10.1 billion. D. $6.8 billion. Correct option, B. $9.2 billion.